Hey YouTube, I got so many builds going on right now. So first of all, I'm currently working on a canary build. That's all you get to see right now. That's gonna be in the next video. This is using the off-white midsoles as well as the yellow bottom. But I took some time out of my morning. I cleaned up my whole table. It was messy. It was like piled all the way up here. You don't get to see that stuff. I'm gonna cover it up because I'm still cleaning up my whole office, but there's so much junk going on. I do got all my Star Wars Legos, you know. Hey, I'm a kid at heart. I also got my I always got Star Wars shirts on. This morning, I'm cleaning up my whole office, including my desk, because I got some big announcements that will be coming soon. Also, if you hit on any of the fragments, comment down below. Tell me if you got it. Tell me if you didn't get it. I didn't get it. I didn't get the lows. I didn't get the highs. I didn't get any of that stuff. Comment down below if you got one of those. So I just recently made a big purchase. I got another sewing machine, but that's gonna be more for clothes, stuff like that. It's all computerized. I got this old one right here. This was actually my grandma's, but I gotta take this to the sewing repair shop, get it all fixed up, because I think on the inside it's just really old. There's small parts that gotta be replaced and whatnot, but I do got a brand new one coming out that will be, I'll make like a full-on video unboxing and whatnot, but that's coming soon. So this is the most recent pair of sneakers that I got. My sister got this for me for my birthday, but it's a cream suede as well as like a flat leather. You can see I already creased it. Already creased it right there, but shoes are meant to be worn. Remember that. This is like a blue as well as like a pinkish orangey-ish. I'm not sure of the color, but they look really cool, especially I know the colorway, and I would mess around with them, but my sister got them for me. Can't be doing that. And they're very comfortable too. And also, first of all, I'm a size 13 if you want to hook your boy up, size 13. But I always forget how the Air Force Ones have that big arch for the insole. So the insole normally goes inside for Jordan, but for these ones, it's kind of like shaped around, so very cool. But this is the most recent pair of sneakers I got. As you can see, I'm already wearing them, but I'm trying to keep them as clean as possible. There are some parts on it that kind of came off flawed just from the factory. You got that part right there. You got like a scuff right there and right there. You can't really see on the camera, and then it's a little rip right there. But other than that, it's really cool, really nice, and I just love the Air Force One. I haven't really worn an Air Force One, like just a stock one that I haven't made in a while, and it's very comfortable, very nice, and I love the colorway. So thank you. So why am I making this video? Well, first of all, I want to make more content for all of you. I feel like just making the one video right now a week, a video from start to finish on making a shoe like this is not enough. I want to be making more videos, more awesome, cool videos like that. You'll still have the sneaker from start to finish once a week, whatever project I'm working on at the time. Obviously, this is going to be the next build. I got a couple more builds after that. We'll be getting more into other sneakers as well, how to design them, how to make them. But for right now, we're still going to be sticking with the one video a week, start to finish. That's gonna be a full-on video because you guys like that a lot more than making it like 5-part series. Second, there's just gonna be a lot more different videos like tips and tricks, stuff that I'm doing at the moment, maybe just like a tour of the office if you guys want to see the newest update. It's been changing a lot more. I got some sewing machines coming. We're gonna be doing some unboxings like that. We're gonna be getting into like stitching, how to stitch, how to do different stitches. That could be some simple stuff that all you can learn. I'll be getting, you know, different sewing machines, testing them out, whether you like them, whether you're not, stuff like that. But it's gonna be back to like some of the older content where we were making videos every day. I'm gonna be trying to do that, get as much content out there. But you gotta subscribe, like the video, turn on notifications so you don't miss a video, because there's gonna be a lot more content coming out. There'll be more videos too, especially everyone loves the clear Jordan. So if you got a great idea, some cool ideas, comment down below. I can make it happen. We can make some really cool shoes coming out soon. I got a lot of cool materials I'm gonna be playing around with, just like the clear material where we made it all clear Jordan. So those videos are going to be coming out very soon. That stuff should be coming in this week as well. So comment down below, let me know what you want to see. Let me know what, you know, tips that you need, what materials or whatnot, if I can make a video on that stuff. If you're still watching this, this is the toe of the canary yellow that we're using. So as you can see, the material is actually over the leather. That's really cool. So you get a little sneak peek if you're still watching. Very unique. So look at right there, you can't really see the holes, but then over the top you can see the holes. That's what I'm working on right now. My goals poster just fell. That poster's over there, and I got 1,000 ideas coming on. We got very cool products that are coming out soon. I got lots of features that'll be coming out soon. Lots of different content and stuff that we're gonna be playing around with in the next month or two, whether or not, you know, on different platforms on this too. It's gonna be very cool. Also, follow the Instagram, Laced Up Customs. Everything is Laced Up Customs at Laced Up Customs on all platforms. But got my apron going on right now because we can't mess up Star Wars t-shirt. This is a build. Right now, we got plenty of builds going on. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, turn on notifications, comment down below. Let me know what you want to see in the upcoming videos, but there's gonna be a lot more videos coming out soon and a lot cooler stuff that we'll be showcasing. So thanks for watching. Have a great day.